On Monday, the price of Bitcoin was down 13%, while other digital coins such as Ethereum and Dogecoin were down up to 18%. However, if we look at a 24-hour change, Dogecoin lost more than 29% on late Tuesday. And Bitcoin, its so-called older brother, lost about 15% in a single day. So, what caused this to occur? In this video, we'll talk about it, and what it means for the future of Dogecoin. Hello, and welcome back to another Crypto Fire video. Before we go any further, please keep in mind that we're giving away 1 Ethereum to a random subscriber. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, press the bell icon, and leave a comment in the comments section about your favorite crypto coin. Also, stick till the end because we'll also tell you about a Dogecoin tip that only a few people know about. Now, let's get started with today's video. The market crash observed today was apparently caused by China's crackdown on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Beijing prohibited financial institutions and payment service providers from offering services related to cryptocurrency transactions on Tuesday. It also cautioned investors against engaging in risky cryptocurrency trading. It comes after Bitcoin fell by more than 10% last week after Elon Musk tweeted that Tesla would no longer recognize the currency as a payment method. To combat money laundering, China has made cryptocurrency trading illegal since 2019. However, people can still trade in currencies such as Bitcoin online, which has alarmed Beijing. On Tuesday, 3 state-backed organizations released a social media alert, including the National Internet Finance Association of China, the China Banking Association, and the Payment and Clearing Association of China. They said that customers would be unprotected if they suffered losses as a result of cryptocurrency investment transactions. They added that recent wild swings in cryptocurrency prices seriously violate people's asset safety and are disrupting the normal economic and financial order. Neil Wilson of Markets.com said, "China has for some time been putting pressure on the crypto space, but this marks an intensification. Other countries might follow now as central banks make strides towards their own digital currencies. Until now, Western regulators have been pretty relaxed about Bitcoin, but this might change soon." But what does it mean for Dogecoin? As we mentioned earlier, Dogecoin's price fell by about 26% on a 24-hour basis. But if we zoom out to a 3-month change, we can see that it doesn't look that bad. The lowest price of Dogecoin was recorded on 23rd April, and to be fair, it has been rising since then, apart from some hiccups along the way. Looking at this chart, I feel there's still a lot to be optimistic about. Let's begin with the Coinbase announcement earlier this week. Dogecoin will be available on Coinbase's website within the next 6 to 8 weeks, according to Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong. This means that investors and traders from all over the world will be able to invest in cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin. This is great news, as Coinbase is one of the most famous and well-known cryptocurrency exchanges. Let's take a look at Elon Musk's most recent tweets about cryptocurrency. First, he discussed how Tesla can no longer allow Bitcoin payments due to the negative effect it has on our climate. He said, "We are concerned about rapidly increasing use of fossil fuels for Bitcoin mining and transactions, especially coal, which has the worst emissions of any fuel." He also added that cryptocurrency is a good idea on many levels and we believe it has a promising future, but this cannot come at great cost to the environment. While many crypto fans were infuriated, he also tweeted this: "Working with Doge devs to improve system transaction efficiency. Potentially promising." This is a significant move forward for Doge, and it's obvious that Mr. Musk is trying to make amends for his success on SNL, which caused the cryptocurrency's price to plummet dramatically. It's possible that he really believes it is the people's currency, and embracing it as a means of payment would be the first step towards strengthening the Doge model's longevity. Let us not ignore that most, if not all, cryptocurrencies can be mined, and this process consumes enormous amounts of energy, which has negative environmental consequences. There are so-called Bitcoin miners who allow new Bitcoins to be produced and independently tested because their mining depends on a massive decentralized network. This ensures that each transaction is checked by a huge network of people who are compensated for keeping a reliable record. At the moment, they are usually compensated with 6.25 Bitcoins, worth about $32,000 each. So this is the reason behind Elon Musk's decision to discontinue Bitcoin as a means of payment for Tesla. For starters, it contradicts the company's responsible and environmentally conscious message. On the other hand, by improving system efficiency with Doge engineers, he could be looking at ways to make the currency more popular, allowing ordinary Doge holders to buy Teslas. Furthermore, Bitcoin consumes more than half the resources used by data centers around the world. Although 1 Bitcoin can purchase a Tesla, this does not mitigate the negative environmental consequences. With that in mind, let us consider the advantages of Elon Musk's decision to support Dogecoin. This will be divided into 3 sections. First and foremost, we'll discuss the cost. Second, we'll discuss availability, and finally, we'll discuss how demand for Dogecoin will evolve in the future. Dogecoin's price will almost certainly climb in the long term, even if it does not witness a prolonged rally. Dogecoin has increased by over 7,000%, and although the currency has undergone highs and troughs, it has been on an upward trajectory since it was first listed in 2013. Given the currency's significant media exposure over the years and its increasing following through social media channels, it also has a steady stream of followers, not the least of whom are massive investors or whales. Looking at the price table, you can see that the currency has undergone significant surges, and then retracted or corrected. However, the degree of the correction is normally determined by the reason for the rally. Talking of listing on Binance, for example, differed from the pre-SNL boom, when others anticipated a big announcement. However, this time is different, and I understand that this adage is not applicable of banking, but Elon Musk's decision would have a longer-term impact on Doge for many reasons. When it comes to the underlying factors of Doge, the price is a vital factor, as some buyers are unable to participate in Bitcoin due to a shortage of funds. Doge could realistically trade choppily before reaching $1. If Tesla makes a major announcement that Dogecoin will soon be accepted as a payment method, its price could definitely rise far past the value of $1. In this case, certain Tesla customers would want to participate in the crypto fund, further increasing the demand for Dogecoin. The positive sentiment generated by such an announcement would place a floor on the price of Doge, allowing it to reach key novel support levels of $1, $3, and $5. Since too much could change, and considering how volatile the crypto market has been lately, it is impossible to predict when this will occur. Still, as the currency is adopted by more merchants, such as Tesla, it would indicate that large corporations are starting to use the currency. This just reinforces what we've said in previous videos. The Dallas Mavericks and the Kessler Collection will be among the only businesses that will prosper from a higher percentage of individuals holding the currency. So we should expect the price of Doge to climb in the coming months and years, thanks to relentless funding from one of the world's most creative firms, Tesla. Second, the production of Dogecoin would have no discernible effect on the market. 1 Dogecoin can be purchased for around 35 cents at the time of recording this video. If a Tesla costs between $35,000 and $124,000, a customer would need to carry approximately 120,000 Doge tokens. This could allow demand for the coin to increase to the point that increased supply is not detrimental to the overall price of the cryptocurrency. To conclude, Elon Musk's announcement could generate potential demand and could shoot Doge's price to about $1. Finally, as the population expands and more wealthy investors will use the cryptocurrency to fund more costly products and services such as vacations, retreats, and Teslas, demand for Doge will begin to increase. So I anticipate a lot of Doge action in the coming months and am excited to see how the currency evolves. With that, we've come to an end of this video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye, take care.